Okay, so the first thing you do in simplifying this equation is you would separate these two numbers from each other. So then it looked like this. Okay, and then you divide it by the opposite complex number of this one, which then it would look to both sides, which then would look like this. Okay, and then afterwards you switch the sign from divide to multiply. So then the next step, to help multiply, you can separate, or you can multiply them by making two separate boxes. One to represent the numerator, one to represent the denominator of the final answer. Just like so. And we can represent, title this on the top and this on the bottom. Okay? And then you'd multiply them out, like so. 3. Okay? And then you would put them into the according groups. I can't remember the exact words for it. So this would be, if you remember this, I squared equals -1. So this would be 8 times -1, which will give you -8. So then you break them up into their specific groups. So 6 minus 8, or -8 plus 1, would be -2, plus these two added together, which is 14i, which gives you your numerator. Now the denominator, you would do this one, the same thing as breaking it over here. It doesn't matter which side you really put it on. So you get 2i, and then 2i. And then you'd multiply them as so. Okay. So with this one, it's a little different. These two would cancel each other out, since 4 minus 4 is 0. So these cancel each other out. Then this would be -4 times -1, which just gives you 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. I'll give you a denominator. So the next step you would do is you'd put it all into one fraction. So as such, top and bottom. So it'd be -2 plus 14i over 8. And then for your final step, you separate these into two separate fractions, which will then look like such. Plus and then this -2 over 8 plus 14i over 8 will give you your final answer for simplifying this equation.